Hello friends, today we are going to learn the internal question and back exercise of the poem Coromandel Fishers written by Sarojini Naidu. The first internal question is, what happens if the fishermen are late in starting their work? If the fishermen are late in starting their work, the wind will be blowing and it will be difficult for them to reach the deep part of the ocean, and they won't be able to follow the seagull's call. The early morning is the suitable time to work as it is calm and quiet. Question number 2. What is the track of seagull's call? Why should the fishermen follow this track? Seagull is an animal who knows where the fishes are. The fishermen follow their track to catch fishes. Question number 3. Why are the Coromandel fishers not scared of fishing late in the dark? The fishermen are not scared or afraid of fishing late in the dark because they believe that the sea god who controls the storm will save their lives. Back exercise question answer. Part A. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Who, according to the speaker, prays to the morning light? Answer. According to the speaker, the wakening sky prays to the morning light. That means that the sky which was sleeping in the light has woken up and welcoming the light, and meaning that the sun is about to set and morning is about to begin. Question number 2. What is the wind compared to? The wind is compared to a child who has cried all night and now lies asleep in the arms of his mother. Similarly, due to most gravitational pull, sea wind leads to the storm, but in the morning it is calm like a sleeping child. Question number 3. What relationships does the speaker describe in stanza 2? Answer. In stanza 2, the speaker considers the sea as the mother of the fishermen, cloud as their brothers, and the sea waves as their companions, because the sea, like a mother, feels and helps them to sustain their life. Similarly, the clouds are termed as brothers because they guide them, and the waves like companions because they keep moving with them. The speaker wants to say that they are family and always wants to help each other. Question number 4. What does the speaker describe as sweet and sweeter? The speaker says that the shade of the coconut trees is sweet. The smell of mangoes and the time spent while talking with the loved ones under the full moon is sweet. But the touch of the water drops or the water spring falling on the face while in the sea and watching the sea forms dancing on the waves are sweeter. These feelings or adventures are sweeter. Question number 5. What do you think wealth is to fishermen? The wealth for the fisherman in the sea is fishes because By catching these fishes, they can earn money. Part B. Answer these questions with reference to the context. First extract is, he who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. Question. Who is he? He is the sea god. B. Whose lives does he hide? He hides the lives of the fishermen. C. What does the speaker mean by this line? This line means that the sea god who controls the storm will save the lives of the fishermen. Second extract is, but sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of spray and the dance of the wild form's glee. A part. What does the speaker earlier refers to as sweet? Answer. The shade of coconut tree, sweet smell of mangoes, and time spent with the loved ones is referred to as sweet earlier. B. What is this contrast the speaker draws between this line and the one before it? Speaker says that the line of relaxation on land is sweet, but the life in the sea is sweeter and it is full of adventures. C. What is the image being described here? Answer. The image of adventures of the sea is being described here for the fisherman, for the form of the glee and the kiss of salty waters of the sea is really sweeter than the other things. Part C. Think and answer. Question number 1. The fishermen are called the kings of the sea in this poem. What do you think the speaker calls them so? Answer. Like kings, have both the vast rules and responsibilities to take care of their kingdoms and the people. The Coromandel fishers too have their own power to rule the sea and the responsibility to take care of the mother sea. So they are called the kings of the sea. Question number 2. Sarojini Naidu was a noted freedom fighter and an activist. Do you think her political ideas and activities can be seen reflected in the message conveyed through this poem? Why or why not? Also discuss how these ideas impact your everyday life. Answer. Sarojini Naidu as a poetess belongs to an era of struggle, slavery and freedom fighter. She was a part of the Indian freedom movement. Hence, the poem Coromandel Fishers metaphorically reflects the poet's desire for free India. Thus, she encourages the people of nation to hasten their struggle of freedom. The poet and the poem Coromandel Fishers, when read, literally appears to be describing the fishermen and their daily life. But when read deeply, knowing who Sarojini Naidu was, that she was a freedom fighter, and focusing on the social political status at that time, we realized that it is the call to awake the people of India to come and fight for freedom of their nation from the Britishers. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.